What's up, YouTube? Here's another special request. This time it's for my Hoover Elite 5.2 amp. Requested from Miss Angela. She wants to see this Hoover, so here you go, Miss Angela. I got this one, I want to say in 2018 from Facebook Marketplace. So here she is. I'll be super quick, super brief. All right, there it is. This one was a Kmart exclusive. So there you go, Miss Angela. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, you know who, Kevin Love. Here's another quick view. All right then.